I learned a very expensive lesson with leveraged ETFs. Over the past year, I invested 20,000 in SOXL. At one point, it grew to 42,000. Then, in July, it dropped to around 15,000, from 42,000 to 15,000. That's when I realized leverage can make you feel like a genius on the way up and destroy your confidence on the way down. If you are a person investing for a long term, you probably don't need that kind of risk. You don't need to get rich overnight. So that's my lesson. Be very careful with leverage ETFs.